This video will show you a quick tutorial on how to use your new easy-to-use Axonics remote control. The first step in using your remote is connecting it to your stimulator. Hold the remote at your waist on the same side of your body as the stimulator. If the remote is too far away from the body, it may not be able to connect. Next, simply press and release the center button. The lights at the top of the remote will flash as it searches for the stimulator. It may take several seconds to connect. When your remote has connected, the top lights will stop flashing and the stimulator battery light at the bottom will turn on. If your stimulator is currently delivering therapy, you will also see solid lights at the top of the remote. If all the lights on the remote shut off, the remote control did not connect to your stimulator. If this happens, move the remote control closer to your stimulator and try again. When connected, the light on the bottom of your remote control shows the battery life of your stimulator. If you have a recharge-free stimulator, this light will be green until the system nears end of life, which will typically be after 10 or more years. For a rechargeable stimulator, a solid green light means you have plenty of battery life. A solid orange light means your stimulator battery is getting low with several days left. You should think of charging your stimulator soon. A flashing orange light means your stimulator battery status is very low, and you should charge your stimulator as soon as you can to continue receiving therapy. Your remote control also contains a red warning light on the bottom. A flashing red light means your remote control battery is low. A solid red light means there is an issue with your stimulator. If you see a solid red light, contact your doctor. There are also lights at the top of your remote control. These top lights indicate the strength of the electrical stimulation being delivered for your therapy. If no top lights are on, no stimulation is being delivered. If all the top lights are on, this means stimulation is at maximum strength. You should be on a level that provides stimulation that reduces your symptoms without discomfort. Next, you'll learn how to adjust the stimulation level of your device. The first step in changing your stimulation strength is to connect the remote control to the stimulator. To decrease the strength, press the down arrow. You'll feel a vibration that confirms the change. Depending on the stimulation level, the top lights will flash or the number of lights may decrease. To increase strength, press the up arrow. You'll feel a vibration that confirms the change. Depending on the stimulation level, the top lights will flash or the number of lights may increase. Lastly, to turn off your remote control, press the center button again. If you forget, the remote control will turn itself off after a few seconds of inactivity. If you have any other questions about using your remote control, contact your healthcare provider or refer to the manuals included with your device.